All right, here we go. Hey, Aubrey. Hey, what's up? Oh yeah, you're on TV. Say hey.
Hey.
You're on TV. This my camera, so you're on TV right now. All right. So you're on TV too. I don't know how many of my TV shows you've been in.
Probably 2.
No more than that. A couple of years ago.
What year?
Like 2015, 2014. Uh-oh. Huh?
What?
Birthday party.
Oh, birthday party. Oh yeah, I wanted to see that video about my birthday party.
Well, oh. Still been losing them teeth, huh?
Well, I have, but they trying to go back in, but it takes time, you know?
Oh, I know. You have more of that left? More baby teeth left?
Yeah.
Huh. Well, I'll be darned. Ain't nothing wrong with your smile.
Right.
You hear me? Because I told Brittany that. Well, I don't know if Brittany watching or not. Hey, you try to get on the swing?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm teaching her how to swing.
Aubrey say wee.
Whee!
Yeah, that's what I told Cartier. You know Cartier?
Yeah.
Talking about you.
No.
Yeah, you seen Cartier at the party, at my party.
Other girl?
Yeah, the other girl, the little, and well, all right. You want me to push you on the swing?
Yeah.
Sit down. Oh. Sit down. All right, hold on. Now say wee. Yep. I told Carter to say that. Well, the only person missing is Sandy Ray. Oh.
I ain't got these shoes from
You know, I never used to like Braylon to play at this park.
Huh?
I never used to like Braylon to play at this park.
Why?
Because them bad children
Oh.
cursing a lot and stuff like that.
That's how you do it.
How I do what?
How you learn how to swim? That's what you would do.
Swim?
No, swing.
Oh.
No, swing.
Oh, swing. Well, I don't know how to swim. Oh well. Okay. All right.
Oh yeah, we also have this too.
Oh, got what? Oh that. Okay. Oh that. I don't know why they put that there. It was some crazy guy who was swinging on this, and guess what? He fell out to the ground.
I try getting the telescope. I can't get the telescope.
Okay.
She don't want I don't want her to fall.
Oh no, you can't get up there. All right, that's dangerous. Okay.
Watch out.
All right. Well, we'll have fun though. Yes, indeed. On my part and everything. Look at them tall buildings. I can't stand looking at tall buildings running my skyline. You see, I like a clear skyline. You know, I definitely like a clear skyline. Well, unfortunately, New Iberia don't have buses.
They don't?
Nope. I kind of wonder how Sandy Ray doing. You hear me? Oh yeah, Aubrey met Sandy Ray twice.
Do you and Sandy Ray get along, Buttons?
Buttons?
I call her Buttons, but my auntie Dinah calls her
Oh yeah, Aubrey's her real name. Oh, I know that. Or you
Do you and Sandy Ray get along?
what? It's not that she don't know Sandarie that much. Braylon. They met each other twice.
Were they playing with each other?
Oh, once. They only played with each other once when she was screaming. She was screaming and all that. Yes, indeed. Yeah, everybody likes the family mobile, you know. I don't know what I mean by that though. But deep down inside, people love to see their family grow. I wish I had a better camera though. Randy said he was gonna give me a camera, but oh well. It is what the heck it is though. Oh well. We gonna buy a house one day, hopefully soon. Know what I mean?